Hey everyone, welcome to OdooVerse. Before we start learning Odoo, first let's understand one simple thing. What actually is Odoo? Odoo is a business management software, also known as an ERP system. It helps companies manage different departments like sales, inventory, accounting, HR, CRM, and manufacturing, all in one single platform. Instead of using different software for every task, businesses can manage everything together using Odoo. And the best part is, Odoo is modern, beginner-friendly, open source, and highly customizable. In this course, we'll learn Odoo step by step from basics to advanced with practical examples and real projects. Now, before understanding Odoo deeply, we first need to understand ERP. So let's move to the next slide. Now let's understand ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. In simple words, ERP is a single software system that connects every department inside a business. For example, when a customer places an order, the sales department receives the order. Then, inventory checks stock availability. Accounting automatically generates the invoice. And HR can manage employee assignments related to that process. So instead of departments working separately, everyone works using the same real-time data. This reduces manual work, avoids duplicate data, and minimizes costly mistakes. That's why ERP systems are very important for modern businesses. Now, let's see the problems businesses face without an ERP system. The first problem is disconnected systems. Sales, inventory, and accounting teams often use different software, so data becomes isolated and communication becomes difficult. The second problem is manual work. Employees spend a lot of time entering the same data again and again, which increases human errors. The third issue is inventory problems. Because the inventory is not connected with sales in real time, businesses may face overstocking or stock shortages. And finally, accounting becomes difficult. Manual billing and reconciliation can create invoice mistakes, delayed reports, and compliance issues. So without ERP, managing business operations becomes slow, confusing, and inefficient. Now let's officially meet Odoo. Odoo is a free and open source ERP platform that provides more than 30 integrated business applications. From CRM to manufacturing, everything works inside one unified system. One big advantage of Odoo is that it is open source. That means developers can customize and modify the system according to business needs. Another major benefit is full integration. Every module shares data in real time, so departments stay connected automatically. And finally, Odoo provides a modern and clean user interface which is easy to use even for beginners. That's why Odoo has become one of the fastest growing ERP platforms in the world. Now, let's look at some core modules available in Odoo. First is CRM and sales. This module helps businesses track leads, manage sales pipelines, and close deals faster. Next is inventory. It provides real-time stock tracking, warehouse transfers, and inventory forecasting. Then we have accounting. This module handles invoicing, expenses, payments, and financial reporting. Next is HR and POS. HR helps manage recruitment and payroll, while POS is useful for retail businesses and billing counters. And finally, manufacturing. This module helps companies manage production planning, bill of materials, and shop floor operations. So basically, Odoo provides one platform for almost every business function. So why do companies choose Odoo? The first reason is automation. Odoo can automate repetitive business tasks and workflows. which saves time and increases efficiency. The second reason is centralized data. All departments use one shared database, so there are no data silos. Another important advantage is customization. Businesses can easily modify modules according to their specific requirements. Odoo is also affordable compared to many other enterprise ERP systems. And finally, Odoo is scalable. Whether it's a startup or a large enterprise, Odoo can grow along with the business. That's why many companies around the world are adopting Odoo. Now, let's understand Odoo with a real business example. Imagine a mobile repair shop. When a customer drops a phone for repair, a repair ticket is created inside Odoo. Then the system checks inventory and verifies whether spare parts are available. A technician is assigned for the repair process. After the repair is completed, the invoice is automatically generated. And finally, payment is received and recorded inside the system. Odoo also stores complete customer history, including repairs, purchases, and communication records. Because everything is connected, the business saves time, reduces manual work, and avoids billing mistakes. This is the real power of ERP systems like Odoo. Odoo provides two editions, Community and Enterprise. The Community edition is free and open source. It includes core ERP modules and is widely used by developers, students, and startups. The Enterprise edition is paid and provides additional advanced features. For example, mobile app support, Odoo Studio Advanced Accounting. Dedicated support, Community Edition, is best for learning and customization, while Enterprise Edition is more suitable for growing businesses that need advanced features and official support. So depending on business needs and budget, companies can choose the edition that fits them best. Now let's understand the technology stack behind Odoo. Odoo is built using modern open source technologies. First is Python. Python is used for back-end development, business logic, and ORM functionality. Next is PostgreSQL. This is the database used to store all business data securely. Then we have XML. XML is used for designing views, menus, forms, and data structures inside Odoo. And finally, JavaScript. JavaScript powers the front-end interface and creates dynamic web interactions. So if you want to become an Odoo developer, these are the main technologies you'll learn. Now let's talk about career opportunities in Odoo. One popular role is Odoo developer. Developers build custom modules, features, and integrations. Another role is functional consultant. Functional consultants help businesses implement and configure Odoo according to their workflows. You can also work as a freelancer and provide Odoo services to clients globally. And finally, ERP consultants help companies during digital transformation projects. The demand for skilled Odoo professionals is increasing rapidly across the world. And this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn Odoo Installation Python basics, custom modules, views, security. AP is deployment. So make sure you subscribe and continue this learning journey with OdooVerse.